The next mistake you guys want to avoid is cutting your hair with the clippers going with the grain of how the hair grows. So typically your hair is going to grow in many different ways, all right? So for me, for example, and most people, your hair on the side of your head grows down, but some parts of your hair, it starts to go like sideways, horizontally, right? Especially toward the back, right here by your neck. Instead of your hair going straight down, right? Instead of it going straight down, it curves off to the side, right? And you want to make sure you recognize the direction that your hair naturally grows in so that you can always cut against the grain, right? This is the tip here. Never cut with the grain, always cut against the grain. So if your hair if all the hairs are going down, right, all of them naturally grow downward, then you're going to cut going upward. If they all grow sideways like this, you're going to cut the other way going sideways like this, all right? The important aspect of this whole part is that you're making sure that when you're cutting your hair, everything is getting cut evenly so that there's no bulky patches where some parts of your hair are a little bit longer than the others because you didn't cut against the grain. You accidentally cut maybe like halfway against it, halfway with it, but this for some reason is darker than this part, and this part is lighter than this part. To avoid any discoloration with the fade or the guidelines, always make sure, another reason why I always say to go through each guideline multiple times so that all of the hair is cut and everything is the same exact hair length, right? If I'm using the no guard lever open, for example, and I'm going up an inch, I want to make sure that entire guideline is the same as the no guard lever open, and I didn't accidentally, cut in an area where my hair was growing in a different direction, and now that particular spot is darker than the rest of the guideline. All right, so look at yourself in the mirror. Really easy, just to practice. Look at yourself in the mirror like this and figure out, when you're looking, where does the hair grow, right? Right here, it kind of grows in this direction, and then it goes down, and then toward the back by my ear, it starts to grow kind of like on an angle going that way. So when I cut, I need to cut either going straight up against the grain or slightly against the grain going this way. So if the hair grows this way, I gotta cut this way, right? So just kind of take a look at yourself in the mirror, examine the directions that your hair grow in, and then whenever you're cutting, always remember this tip as a way to recognize. So if you're in the middle of a haircut, you're like, why is this hair like darker than the other spot? Why is this section darker? Well, maybe you cut with the grain, or you didn't cut against the grain enough, or maybe you need to run your clippers through that section a few more times, and then it'll cut all of the hair off so that everything is the same length. So that's a really important step. Don't cut with the grain, always cut against the grain.